let us start doing the next step, that is preparation of partners capital account. So after doing capital adjustment, only you can open which account? You can open partners capital account. So in the partners capital account, first entry will be related to what? First entry will be related to balance brought down. So by balance brought down, and this amount where you will get it from the old balance sheet, Mahendra and Surendra, and not for Chandra because he is a new partner. So only for old partner it is 80,000 and 40,000. In this problem they have not given you reserve fund and they have not given you profit and loss account. When they have not given those two, so your distribution work was reduced and no need to do that work. Okay, now after balance brought down, usually what we will go for, which one? Revaluation account. So in the here in the revaluation account, partners capital, old partners capital account came on which side? Credit side. Why? Because it was a loss on revaluation. When it came on the credit side of revaluation account, here in this problem it will come on the debit side of partners capital account. So what you will write here? From there it is credit and here you are bringing in it to debit. From which account you are bringing? Revaluation account. Write to revaluation account. They are equal partners, so how much it came? 3,500 and 3,500, and it was not related to whom? Chandra. So after doing this, next you are not having reserve fund, not having profit and loss account, but what you are having? Next thing they have given in the problem, that is goodwill of the firm valued 14,000. So next adjustment is related to goodwill and it was retained. Retained in the business means this side entry will not come. Why? Because it was not withdrawn. So it was retained means need to distribute for the old partners and keep it like that only, and again you need to show that the goodwill in the new balance sheet of the firm. So right here by goodwill account, what is the value of goodwill? Goodwill value is 14,000 into ratio they have not given, so we have treated them as equal partners, so it will come as 1 by 2. Next 14,000 into 1 by 2 for both, so how much it will come? 7,000 for Mahendra and 7,000 for Surendra, and for him it is dash. After doing this, next one more adjustment we need to do, that is related to whom? Because very less adjustment here, but one more major adjustment was there related to partners capital, that we will do. Before that we will write Chandra's capital. Here we need to take it as cash account or bank account. Here we need to consider it as bank account. Why? Because they have given in the problem cash at bank. So write here by bank account, and you need to write only for whom? Only for Chandra, that is 26,000. How much he will bring? No, that much you need to write, that is 26,000. 26,000. After writing this 26,000, next your work you need to do now. Already we have calculated partners balance, right? That will appear in the new balance sheet. Which one you are writing here as a new balance sheet? Transfer to you new balance sheet. That you will write the last entry, correct? What is that? To balance carried down. Remember in the old problem we have written like this, and in the bracket I told you to mention what? Transfer to new balance sheet, correct? So for this you should write those amount what you calculated no earlier, that amount you need to write first. That only I am telling you, for capital adjustment this balance carried down need to be written first. Okay, then you need to do cash adjustment. I told you after fixing this much amount, then you need to find out whether that partner should bring the amount or whether he need to withdraw the amount. So let us write these three amount for whom now? All the partners. Already we have calculated how much it came. 78,000 for Mahendra, 78,000 8,000 for Mahendra. Next, Chandru's, anyhow you know that is only 26,000. If goodwill was withdrawn, then this amount, again you need to compare at that time, but here goodwill was not withdrawn, so it will not affect to Chandra's capital. For him 26,000 he brought, that is 26,000, and for Surendra it is 52,000, and for Surendra it is 52,000. Now this is what you need to do now here. So balance, remember student, balance carried down is always the last entry in the account. That's why need to write this like below last entry. So need to write it last only. Leave space in the middle, no issues at all. All other adjustments should be done in between that only. So write there, write balance carried down as a last entry. Now, as I told you, how we will take now you need to find out the difference amount. Actually, for new partner there was no difference amount at all, correct? So 26,000 here, 26,000 here. Okay, take that 26,000 as a total, and that 26,000 you will bring it here, and this 26,000 only you will write it here. So new partner, no worries at all. Now, for Mahendra, we will check slowly. First, take your calculator and do it. 78,000 here plus 3,500. How much it will become? 81,500. Correct? Here 80,000 and here it is 7,000. That means this side amount was more compared to debit side. Here it will come 81,500, but here it will come 87,000. When this side total is more, as usual our accounts rules, which side total is more, take that total, bring it to the lesser side and write the difference amount as whatever it is required. Usually difference amount was considered as balance carried down, but here our balance carried down was already fixed. So that difference amount is considered as now bank. Why? Because that amount, see for example here he is having 87,000 here, but his balance was only it will come 81,500. That means difference amount now he can withdraw from his account. So let us write now 87,000 is the total. So that 87,000 we will write it here. After writing this, we will minus this 78,000 and minus that 3,500. How much it will come? Difference amount. Don't write that difference amount below this because this is the last entry. Remember student, this is the last entry in the account. Always balance carried down is the last entry. After writing that, you should not write any other entries at all. So whatever the difference amount will come, that you can write it here as to bank. Why we are writing bank? Because they told in the problem adjustments are to be made in cash. So when you are doing that adjustment in cash, you are writing here. Why we are not writing it as cash? Because they have told you cash at bank account. So when they have told you cash at bank, we are writing here as bank. This is also considered as cash adjustment only. So how much it will come? 87 minus 78 minus 3,500 means it will come 5,500. Write it here as 5,500. That means his balance he need to maintain only 78,000. But his balance was more now. So what he can do is when it is more than his balance, he can withdraw this much of amount. So how much it was more? 5,500 was more. When it was more, he can take that amount to home. That's why this adjustment will considered as bank account because they told in the problem to do cash adjustment. Okay. Now let us go for the second person, second partner, that is Surendra. 40 plus 7, how much it will come? 47. But see here only it is more. 52,000 plus 3,500. So how much it will come now? 55,500. So see in this case, whose case? Mahendra's case, his balance was more and he was able to take extra amount from his account to home. But in Surendra's case, actually his balance was more than what he is having in the business at present. So at that time what you need to do? To maintain this balance, he need to bring now extra amount. So extra amount how he will bring? First we will do the total, because this side it is less, this side it is more. So we will take the total of this side. So 55,500, and we will bring that to which side? Credit side, 55,500. Now we will minus this 47,000. How much it will come if you minus 47,000? It will come 8,500. Will come 8,500. 8,500. Now this also considered as what? By bank account. This also considered as bank account. Mahendra can withdraw the amount from his account because he is having excess in his capital account. But Surendra need to bring 8,500 as additional capital again. Why? Because he is not having sufficient balance to maintain this as a capital. Understood now? This is called as capital adjustment. So this to do this adjustment, what you need to do is, first we will write which one? Balance carried down first. After writing balance carried down, students, don't write any other entries at all. Before that only leave this place and write. So here while doing this adjustment, you can't write always, I am telling you this side do the total and bring it here and then write the difference. But when they will give cash adjustment, that time you can't do the total of which side? Credit side first. Need to compare each and every partner on both the sides. See, Chandra is not having any issue because he is not having any adjustment at all. He is a new partner. That's why you can do it here 26,000, 26,000 and here 26,000. Over. His chapter over. Now, when it comes to Mahendra, what you need to do is, Mahendra's just check on both the sides. 78 plus 3,500, it will come 81,500, but this side it was more, 87,000. When it is more on this side, bring that total and write it here and write the difference amount before balance carried down. Remember student, before balance carried down, and write it as bank. Why we are writing it as bank? Because we are doing cash adjustment and he was having sufficient balance in his capital account. That's why he was taking this amount to home. Okay. Now let us come to the second partner. He is Surendra. Surendra here he is having 47,000 as his total on the credit side of his capital account. But this side he is having 55,500. That means he need to maintain this amount, but he is having less amount in his account. What he is doing is, this highest amount we need to bring it to the lowest side and then take the difference amount, but this is not considered as balance carried down and it will not appear in the balance sheet also. That means here again this is considered as additional capital he should bring once again, because he is not having that much of balance in his account. So he is bringing again 8,500 as additional capital. So this is related to what? Partners capital account. But in the balance sheet which amount will come? These three amount only will come. Remember student, these three amount only will come. But this bank 5,500, this 26,000, this 8,500, we need to do it in which one? Need to do it in bank account. That's why I told you. See, when they will give capital adjustment, it is mandatory to do, it is necessary to do which one? Bank account or cash account. If you are not doing that, you will not get exact what cash balance there. So next step, what we are going to do now? Next step we are going to do cash or bank account. Here it is bank account only because cash at bank is given. So how many entries are here? 1, 2, 3 entry from capital account only it is there, and one more account, one more entry you need to consider it from old balance sheet also. Let us do it. When we will do it, you can understand that how it will come. Okay. From capital balance, remember from capital account, 3 banks are there. 1, 2 and 3. 3 banks means 3 entries will come in minimum 3 entries will come in which one? Partners. So minimum 3 entries will come in bank account. Let us do now bank account. Let us open now bank account. So first need to start with which one? Balance brought down. Bank account. Here they have given on the asset side. When it is given on the asset side, obviously here it will come on which side? Balance brought down on debit side. To balance brought down. Capital balance always starts from credit side. Bank balance or cash balance starts from debit side. So to balance brought down. Write the amount from which one? Write the amount from the asset side. Cash at bank they have given, that is 14,000. Write this 14,000 first. Next, as you know very well, next entry only we will take what? We will take new partner's capital, how much he will bring. So new partner is here Chandra. So Chandra's capital we have taken it on the credit side of partner's capital, that is 26,000. This much you know very well, right? Already we have done it in many problems. So 26,000. These two are common entries in which one? Bank account. After that, go back to partner's capital account. One bank was on the credit side of partner's capital. One bank was on the debit side of partner's capital. Correct? Which will come on the debit side of partner's capital? Here it will appear on the credit side of bank account. Debit side it came for whom? Debit side it came for first partner, that is for Mahendra. So for Mahendra it came on the debit side. Here it will come on the credit side. So write here as by Mahendra's capital. Mahendra's capital. After writing Mahendra's capital, just check out there what is the amount you have written for bank there on the debit side under Mahendra's capital. That you have written how much? 5,500. Correct? That 5,500 will come here. Don't write this that difference amount to balance sheet, students. Why? Because that 5,500 will not come to balance sheet. Instead of that, it will come to which account? Bank account. For balance sheet, as usual, what you are doing, balance carried down, no? That only will come. Usually, many of the students will confuse this, like a difference amount they will consider and they will write it here in the which one? Write it here in the new balance sheet only. So don't do like that. Where you need to write? You need to write it here in the bank account. Difference amount here need to write it in the bank account. So Mahendra's capital came on the which side? Credit side, debit side. There in partner's capital. Here it will come on the credit side. Next one, who's that? Next one is Surendra. Surendra's capital was there on the under Surendra's capital. In the capital account, you have written by bank on the credit side. When you have written it on the credit side, now it will appear on the which side? Debit side of bank account. So write here to Surendra's capital. How much it is? Difference amount you have taken there. Difference amount was Surendra's capital 8,500. So write that 8,500. Which came on which side? Credit side of partner's capital account. That will come here. Now over. See in the partner's capital, 3 bank came. One is for new partner, one more for Surendra. Both are on the credit side of partner's capital, and one of Mahendra, that was on the which side? Debit side of partner's capital. Now over. After this, need to do what? Need to take the total and you need to balance it. So started balance brought down here means carried down will come this side. So obviously there you are having only 5,500. Here it is more. How much it will come? 500. 48,500. Bring it to the lesser side. 48,500. So difference amount is considered as what? Balance carried down. So that is how much? 43,000. So right here, by balance carried down. This will be transferred to what? Transferred to new balance sheet. Which side? Asset side. Asset side, while writing cash at bank, need to write which amount now? 43,000, not 14,000 and not that 26,000 or not whatever you have got that bank. So we have done so many adjustment for bank in the bank account. After doing all the adjustment, we got which one? Balance carried down, that is the difference amount, that is 43,000. This 43,000 directly you should write it in new balance sheet. So this is related to bank account. Understood? After doing this only we can go for the next and last step, that is new balance sheet. So let us open now new balance sheet.